Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your iPhone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download the APK file on your iPhone. Once you have that on your phone, just go to the downloaded APK file on your iPhone, and then you're going to tap and hold the APK file, and then select Share, and then Unzip App. Now, to do this step, you have to make sure that you have the Unzip app downloaded on your iPhone. You should be able to find this easily on your App Store, so just go ahead and look it up. After that, once you've opened the APK file in the Unzip app, tap on the I icon beside the APK, and then select Rename and change its name to Payload, and then tap OK. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and tap on the I icon and then tap on Modify File Extension. Then you're going to change the file extension from APK to IPA and then tap OK. After that, for the last time, we're going to go ahead and tap on the I icon once more, right beside the APK, and then select Send or Open in option. Then you're going to tap on the Sign app to open the payload.ipa file. From the Sign, tap on the payload.ipa file and tap on Install to install APK iPhone. So to do those steps or to do it successfully on your iPhone, just make sure to have this video open and follow these steps as you do the process so that you can install APK files on your iPhone. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.